What's up guys, it's Edmarys and I have another DIY video for you all today. In this one, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to do your own homemade moisturizing butter for your scalp and hair. If you're looking for moisturized, shiny hair, please stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoy the video. For our ingredients, we are going to need our shea butter and our kokum butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, lavender oil, rosemary oil. Then we have castor oil and argan oil. For our tools, we're going to need a large bowl, 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon, and our mixing hand tool. We are going to start off by adding 4 ounces of shea butter and 1 ounce of kokum butter. Shea butter is filled with vitamins A, E, and F that help protect our body and hair from free radicals, and it's filled with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Kokum butter is great for stimulating the scalp. It is ideal for scalp treatments to promote strong roots and healthy hair growth. After the butters, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, which is filled with vitamins and essential fatty acids. It slows down hair loss and it prevents hair breakage and split ends. 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, which is one of my favorites. It's a rich oil that is filled with antioxidants. It is very lightweight and it's great for nourishing the hair. 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Castor oil increases stimulation, which is great for hair growth, and it's filled with omega-6 essential fatty acids. 1 teaspoon of lavender oil. Lavender oil smells amazing and it can improve blood circulation, promote hair growth, and prevent hair loss. 1 teaspoon of rosemary oil, which improves circulation, prevents your hair from graying, and can be used to treat dandruff. We're going to add about 15 or 20 drops of argan oil. Argan oil has been proven to make hair softer, silkier, and shinier. It helps moisturize your hair without feeling greasy, which I really enjoy. Once we're done adding all of our ingredients, I'm going to go ahead and take my hand tool and mix everything together. As you can see, the kokum butter was a little bit hard to blend in together, so I would highly recommend melting that butter first and then adding it to the mixture so that you can have a nice, easier blend. You are going to go ahead and just blend everything out until everything is nice and smooth. This is the perfect consistency. It is nice and creamy and soft, and it stays like that, and it smells so good. Once everything was nice and blended, I took my spatula and my container and I just moved everything into the mason jar. However, the mason jar was a little bit difficult to get into, so you will see in a later clip that I moved everything into a different smaller jar, and that worked out a lot better for me. This is the way the butter is supposed to look like. It smells so good, you guys, and it is so moisturizing to the hair. I hope you guys give this a shot. Here I am adding my hair oil and I'm massaging that in. I do have a DIY on this hair oil. I will link it if you guys want to check it out. It is great for dry, itchy, flaky scalp. Once I add that to my hair and I massage it in, I went in with the hair butter and I simply just added it section by section. I focused a lot of it on my ends because that is the driest part of the hair. And I left this on for about 4 hours because I had an event to go to that night. So if I had the time, I would definitely sleep on this. But in this case, I left it on for about 4 hours and then I just washed it off with regular shampoo and conditioner. This hair butter really left my hair feeling and smelling amazing. It added a lot of moisture back to my hair and a lot of shine. If you are wanting moisturized, shiny hair, you're going to love this hair butter. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you in the next one.